Wow.
KTM
390.
RC 390.
Yun.
Ito yung old model ng RC 390.
Okay, siya yung old.
259,000.
So kung old siya, ma'am, matanda na to. 2015 model. Yun guys. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Motorcycle City. Tignan natin yung mga available bikes sila dito. So, mukhang malaki siya sa loob guys. So, yan. Tara, pasok tayo guys.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day, and it's smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts can align, and it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's creeping.
Kawasaki 600 cc.
450.
450,000. Okay, ma'am. Tapos itong classic 500.
321.
So, ang price niya is 321,000. Pero, yun, may available din sila sa finance, through finance ng 4 years. Pinaka-maximum 4 years. And 20% DP. So, ZX, okay. Ayun.
1.3 million.
Ayan. Parang ito yata yung pinakamurang bike nyo rito, no? 1.3 million.
ABS na lang. Harap updated.
Ayan. Alam nyo ba, ma'am, kung ilang ano to? Kung ilang cylinder to?
Si NRR. Meron tayo siya dito sa...
Sige, ma'am, kaya mo yan.
4-cylinder.
4-cylinder. Paano nyo nalaman yan, ma'am?
Yung sa ilan.
Ah, itong ano na to. Okay, yan pala yun. First time ko nalaman yung pala tinitingnan yan. 4-cylinder siya. So, ayan. So, sobrang bilis na ito. And then next, ma'am, is...
Bago ng Ninja 650. 2020 model.
Wow, 2020.
426,000.
426,000. So, ma'am, ano yung difference niya from 2019 model?
Same lang.
Ah, same lang.
Kulay lang.
Okay. Ah, ibig sabihin, ma'am, yung 2019 model, wala silang gantong kulay.
Meron, kasi may green siya sa... Or on green siya.
More on green. Okay. Magkano ulit, ma'am, yung price na ito?
426.
426,000. So, guys, ito, Ninja 400, 2020 model. Ninja again. Anong Ninja to, ma'am?
ZX-10.
Ayun. Ilang cc to ilang cc to ma'am?
1,000
1000 cc.
cc. 820,000.
Yan guys. 820,000. ZX-10R. So yan guys. So ito Duke 200. So ma'am, magkano pa yun? Magkano yung price nun?
150,000 SRP.
So yan guys.
One cylinder lang siya.
1 cylinder lang, 200 cc. Magkano ulit yung price ma'am?
150,000.
150,000. So yan guys. Pero bulky rin siya tignan. So malaki rin. Yan guys. And then next, Duke 390. So ma'am, ano yung anong mismong Duke 390 siya? Kasi 'di ba ma'am, maraming Duke 390. So anong specific?
390, 400cc na siya sa
Yes, ma'am.
RCR.
Yes ma'am.
Dahil 373 talaga siya.
Mhm.
Expressway legal na siya.
Yes ma'am.
400cc.
So ang tawag lang talaga sa kanya is Duke 390. Okay. Naked bike 'to, 'di ba ma'am?
Yes.
Pero meron ding 390 na parang ganun ma'am, yung parang sports
RC.
bike. RC tawag doon. Okay. Ito ma'am, magkano ulit yung price niya?
280.
So ayan. Ilang cylinder to ma'am? 1 lang din siya.
1 cylinder.
1 cylinder. Okay. So ito guys, kung gusto nyo na ng expressway legal, yan, wala kayong kaproblema. So yan. Duke 390. Yan. Ganda. Naked bike.
DFP na rin yung kanina. Digital.
Ito ma'am, yung panel gauge niya. Okay. Parang ano lang ma'am, parang nilagay lang na Android phone, ano. Tapos andito yung key niya sa harap guys. So yan. Itong adventure bike ni KTM, 1,045,000. So ilang cc ito ma'am?
1190cc.
Ayun. Ito yung cc niya guys. 1190cc. So ito ba ma'am yung pinakamahal ni KTM?
Si Super Duke.
Okay. Ito si Super Duke. So ito guys, Super Duke. Ilang cc ito ma'am?
1290cc.
Wow, 1290cc. Laki.
1.1 million.
So, yun guys. Ang price niya is 1.1 million. Ito ma'am, ilang cylinder siya?
2 cylinder.
2 cylinder. Twin cylinder siya guys. Yan. Okay. Ay, ibig sabihin ma'am, di ba lahat naman yata yan tubeless ang gulong? Lahat naman sila? Okay. Ikaw ba ma'am, nag-big bike ka rin ma'am? Hindi ka marunong mag... Ito ma'am.
Ayan si
Wow.
old KTM
390.
RC 390.
Yun.
Ito yung old model ng RC 390.
Okay, siya yung old.
259,000.
So kung old siya ma'am, matanda na to.
2015
Na 2015 model. Okay. 2015 model siya ma'am. So yung price niya is
259.
okay, 259. So
RC 390 na 300, almost 300,000.
RC 300.
Yes. 390.
Ano yung difference sila ma'am?
Yun yung model lang. Saka yung
Sa model. Okay. So kaya siya mura kasi 2015 model siya. Parang siya yung pinaka cheapest sa 390.
Meron
Tama ba?
pa yung RC
Okay. Pero sa 300,
Sa ina, ganyan din kalaki.
mm,
162,000. 200cc lang siya.
mhm. And then, ma'am,
Ito naman si TRK.
TRK, 500cc.
TRK 502.
Okay.
359,000.
359,000. So,
Pag
adventure.
wala siyang panniers, 359,000.
Ano yun, ma'am? Ano again?
Pag with panniers,
Ano yung panniers mo? Yung,
yung top box.
okay.
Dito na
Mhm.
nilalagay.
Mhm. Magkano yung price niya pag wala na, ma'am?
359.
359. Pag meron,
Pag with panniers, 409,000.
409,000. Okay. So, yan.
Parang adventure bike na.
Ah, siya, ma'am. Oo nga. Adventure nga siya. So, Ma'am Rachel, thank you po. Okay ba, Ma'am, thank you.
Titignan ko yun sir.
Sige po, thank you.